Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Corbeau Trailcat seats. Sorry, I don't have my microphone on me. Would not fit in my desk upstairs. Box came a little damaged, but hopefully Trailcat seats are okay. Also got, over here, the brackets for our first gen Tacoma. So let's get into it. Hopefully it's not damaged. Sorry, my cat's loves up in these boxes, so see. She will be making a cameo in this video. Normally I keep her out as an unboxing video. She doesn't like the thing. Alright. Hey, please. Oh, thank you. Alright. Come around here. Really excited for these Trailcat seats. Thanks, Corbeau. They got them shipped out earlier than they told me, but hopefully this damage on the box is not anything big. Misha, please. What? Can you bring it in? Say hi to the fans. Oh, alright. Wow, so it came protected very well. Wrapped well, so I was a little concerned about the elements, you know, since the box was broken open, but the bow seems like in many layers of plastic and bubble wrap, so let's see if I can get this out. Oh wow. Oh, let's go. Putting this up on the side so you can't see this. Wow. So, good amount of, out of the way, good amount of plastic wrap, bubble wrap. I think you can see this here, but yeah, Trailcat seats. Wow. Corbeau really. Wow, does a good job of, ooh, I don't know if you can see this. It's the lumbar support version. Yeah. Wow. Even though the box was damaged, actual seats themselves look fairly fine, I think. But yeah, packaged really well. I think you can see this. Corbeau Trailcat seats with lumbar support. Let's go. Oh, there's the driver one. All right, let me get out the. Yeah, this is all the packaging they had. Second seat comes in a pair. These Corbeau Trailcat seats. Hey, don't get in there. You guys see? Box this one here. In the box. Hey, get out of there. Sorry. Let me make sure my cat's okay. You okay? Come on, get out of there. It's too high for you to jump out. Go. Here. What? Sorry, rescuing my cat. Okay. All right, bringing the boxing over here. There you have it, the unboxing of the Corbeau Trailcat seats. This is the black vinyl color with the lumbar support. Lumbar support pump, very nice. Did not get seat heaters, but didn't think I'd need that where I'm at. And very well packaged. Gotta get this installed now. Oh, let me unbox the brackets as well. Alright, get this plastic out of the way. Alright, hopefully it's still in frame, let me check. Alright, this is the brackets that I ordered from Corbeau. So these brackets are for two boxes, I see. These brackets are for first gen Tacoma. I'm restoring my first gen Tacoma. So upgrading these seats with these brackets. These are should fit directly. Oh, come on. Come on. Please. I'm making a video. Say hi to everyone. Alright. I'll just Corbeau mounting brackets. Comes with some installation guidelines from Corbeau. Set this aside. And oh, this is wrapped really well. Packaged really well from Corbeau. Show you all what the mounting brackets look like. Yeah, so packaged really well. They had this protective cardboard where it was needed, and yeah, it should be direct mount with the Trailcats into my first gen Tacoma. So yeah, that's unboxing. Misha, say bye to everyone. That's unboxing of the Corbeau Trailcat seats and the brackets for first gen Toyota Tacoma. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and thanks for watching. Misha, say bye. My cat says bye. Thank you. Later, everyone.